Found these recently.
The owner found us with this phone here. What's her name?
Thank you, April.
April.
You made my whole day. I jumped off of it with it in my back pocket.
Oh man.
And so I was like, Mom, just jump with us. Just jump with us. And I was like, all right. So I took off my sunglasses and I jumped off the rock.
Glad I got it back from you. That's
Thank
a
you
good
so
feeling.
much. I really appreciate it.
What is it?
iPhone 13.
13.
I just got it in April.
Oh wow. $1,200 iPhone 13. Found. Successful recovery.
Thank you.
Happy
Be
4th
safe.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
Here?
Perfect. You're the man.
Be nice to somebody else. $25 musky lure.
Wherever you are, I will find you.